G'day and welcome to the Accent Bank by Sarah Valentine. My name is Caleb and I was born on the Gold Coast, and I'm proud to come from Queensland, Australia, and this is my natural accent. I am going to read from the following sentences starting with a tongue twister or two. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, a peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. She sells seashells by the seashore. I've parked my car near the garage. If you're looking for it, it's the blue Nissan. The sun is so hot today. I love summer. I like to go walking on the beach, but I also love it when it rains and I'm inside and I can hear it on the roof. Would you like a glass of water? For breakfast, I'd love a coffee, and could I please have some eggs, 2 pieces of toast, and some mushrooms? I love to eat bananas. I don't think it's a good idea to be rude to people. Kindness is free. I mean, my favorite animal is a cat, but I like dogs too. I would love to travel to a few of these cities. London, Paris, New York, Los Angeles, Tokyo, Berlin, Amsterdam, Athens, Lagos, Barcelona, Rome, Dubai, Vancouver, Moscow, Singapore, Sydney, and Dublin. Be kind to one another. Lastly, if you want to learn accents, remember to go actorsaccentcoach.com. Now I'm going to count from 1 to 20 and do the alphabet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. A is for apple, B is for banana, C is for Charlie, D is for dog, E is for egg, F is for frog, G is for gold, H is for hello, I is for ice cream, J is for joy, K is for king, L is for lemon, M is for mother, N is for nut, O is for orange, P is for pepper, Q is for queen, R is for rose, S is for Sarah, T is for tomorrow, U is for umbrella, V is for Valentine, W is for water, X is for X-ray, Y is for yellow, and Z is for zebra. Thank you.